This is Jim from Out Farming, and you're about to watch the second tutorial on my mapping version of the planter monitor. So here you see it running, and the next thing is let's get it out of the demo mode. So I'll go into the settings box up here and select the tools and options and advanced options and click on the activation button. So on this screen you'll need to send me the tablet ID and I will send you an activation key. So I've got one ready to go here for this tablet, and so I'll enter it, 564 209 4232. Click OK, and it's activated. So when you come back out of that, you can says you have to do that, but if you come back in, the demo's off. So now the screen just sits and it shows a big disconnected until it's talking to the control box. So that's how you activate it.